INOGENI's U-BRIDGE is a versatile USB 2.0 video camera and audio extender that supports USB devices, cameras, microphones, and more. With a single Cat 5, 6, and 8 cable, it enables high-speed USB 2.0 connections up to 100 meters per 330 feet. It allows users to simplify AV installations while maintaining exceptional video quality. So, Philip, what do you think about this product?
Well, it's interesting that we're still doing, I'm always looking for USB extenders, and we're now on USB 4.0. But most of the extenders out there are still in that 2.0 realm, and I don't know whether it's just the total addressable market is better there or it's more expensive. But devices like this, of course, then you go back in 2.0 is 480 megabits. That's more than enough for a video camera because most cameras, are 50 megabits, 100 megabits. So it works. So I guess they're balancing between the two. In general, the concept of having a USB extender to help simplify, integrations of USB-based cameras really helps on the smaller corporate AV model. So it's interesting to see them sort of going down that route.
And Mary, what do you think about the audio side of this?
Yeah, it does. There's not a real big audio component, or it's certainly less, but it certainly solves a problem. Yeah, these USB extenders and all the different versions of USBs, it does, frankly,
yeah, I've often thought about doing a blog post on USB because we hear people go USB-C. C is the cable end, just like you have USB-A, USB-B, Type B, and it's really about the protocol. And the 2.0 is, it's not a fast protocol. It's used for peripherals, for mice and others, but 480 megabits is more than enough for web camera and audio. So there's still a market for these types of devices, and being able to extend them from your typical 15-foot cable to upwards of 300 feet over Ethernet cable does start to make some of these devices more interesting for sure.